Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make another quick edit on Lightroom. So let's go. This is a picture I took a couple of days ago in Turin, Italy. So first thing first, there's something I don't like with the lining. So let's put some, yes, additional exposure just to make the building pop out a little more. Okay, and lower the lights. I'm finding that the lights too much blinding with no references to the weekend, but I really don't like them so much. So even the whites not so bright gives me more a natural look. And if we bring if we lower the shadows, we can recover some details from the trees in this case. If you see, it's not bad with the blacks, but maybe if we bring back some of these shadows, can maybe, okay, give us some more details. So for what is concerned with white balance, I'm seeing that we are pretty on the purple side, but maybe a little too much. I want to, okay, have a more balanced situation. And for the temperature, I want to lower it down a little because it gives too much a yellowish tone. So not so much. I want to keep some of the sunset vibes, but something around here. For the tones of the colors, maybe bring back some life to them. So bring up even the saturation. Okay. And then let's see what we can do with texture, brightness, blur. So maybe it's better if we zoom a little. Okay. I love Sony for this exact reason. If you see, it's almost like a painting. Seems like a painting, and we didn't do even that much. Okay. Beautiful. Even the texture, I won't edit it so much, so for now let's leave it there. Let's see with the blur. Okay, amazing. We just remove a little blur so that there's a little less air between us and the building. And so let's see where we were. We were there, and now we are here. Way better. And let's see with the curves. So we have red and blue. Sign 3 dots. Okay, sorry, red and green. But I really don't like to edit so much in this case. Let's leave it normal. Let's see with the greens and the purples. But even in this case, I don't feel like, no, no way. Let's go back to normal. Okay. For the blue and yellow, maybe we can add some blue, you see, because since our photo is pretty yellowish, it gives a complementary tone, so kind of balance it. So now we are on the shadows, and we are adding some yellow to the shadows, and so proportionally some blue to the highlights. Okay, I don't think I will do anything else. Really like it. Let's zoom out. Okay, I won't keep, I think all it. This is a 9/16, so let's go to a 4/5. Okay, that is perfect. But in this case, I think I want more. Yes, I want to keep this tree because I love the reflection of the water. But I don't think much else. So we keep this high tree just in the frame. We won't cut it out, and we will keep basically the main reflection. Okay, voila. I think I'm satisfied. Let's see, just okay, original, edit it. So let's do maybe some minor tweaks. So let's go back where we started and bring back some whites because I want to highlight those leaves on the trees. Maybe a little. Okay. And you know what? I don't know why. I basically never do it, but in this case, some grain, I think it will fit. Okay. Last thing, we have to be really careful on our palette. Let's see if we can just tweak the tone of the greens a little. Okay, it's not changing so much now, so maybe we can go on the yellow. But I think that if we go through the, yes, it's not bad. If you see, it's like it's changing basically the season of the year. Like this gives more a fresh tone, a summer vibe. And in this, if we lower it down, we are more on the autumn. This is the starting point at 0, maybe just some green, but not until it feels like summer. Sorry. And okay, let's see with the oranges. Make them a little more present with the saturation, and maybe a little more orange. Yes, like this. And we don't have so much blue, so I don't think it will make any sense. Okay, we are done. This is our result, and this is the starting point. So I think we can be satisfied. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. If you love this edit, please like and subscribe. and you can find me on Instagram as last.stop.okinawa. Have a nice day.